Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have an Ellie box to unbox. So I thought I'd bring you guys along as per usual. I recently re-signed up for my 3-month subscription, but I'm kind of thinking that after this 3 months I may be done for a while anyway, just because I have a lot and you know, I don't need 8 million of them. But I do love them. And this is a subscription box that you get every month. And it's 3-month increments. So you sign up for 3 months and it's $50 a month. You can pay for them all at once, which saves you a little bit of money, or you can pay monthly. And they send you a full outfit along with 2 extra things that you can use for your exercise routine. And so the first extra thing I have is this sculpting band. It says it has soft cushion foam handles, durable tubing for rigorous use, and develops and strengthens your core. So this is what this looks like. I wish I looked like that. And this is a medium resistance. So that's pretty cool. I will use this. And then the second thing that we got is a muscle massager. And this promotes circulation, alleviates tension, and reduces recovery time. So it looks like this on the bottom with little like ball bearings almost, and you just push it against your muscle. It actually does feel really good to help alleviate some pain. Stainless steel rollers pinpoint stress areas, used post-workout for quick recovery. That's pretty neat. Huh. I haven't seen anything like that before, so there's that. And then they sent me one of these cute bags. Now, I think I already have a few of these bags, or a couple of these bags, so I think this actually makes my third one of these bags. But they are really cute. I do enjoy them, and I have used it, and Katie actually uses hers too, so that's pretty cool. I did stop Katie's subscription, so she is not getting this anymore. But it's just, you know, one of those kind of bags that has the straps on the back. You can use it as a backpack or whatever, and it's just a drawstring. Then it has a yellow interior, and it's just a beautiful rose gold color with the zipper pocket on the outside, so you won't lose your phone or your ID badge or whatever you might need to put in there for the gym. And then the outfit is inside, so let's see what that is. Ooh, I got something in my eye, I'm sorry. I'm going to start with the pants. And I'm ordering these in a size large now. So this is the pants. They are navy blue with little white flowers on them, and then it has a little patch of white with navy blue flowers. And these are capri length, it says, with a 22-inch inseam. They are really cute. The back is just all plain navy. This is why it's hard to not resubscribe, because I love their stuff. I mean, isn't that cute? But I'm not wearing it all right now. I'm wearing a little bit of it, but I'm still shrinking into the size. So these will even be later. These are all large, so these won't fit me for a little while, but still super cute. And here's the little sports bra. That is adorable. I love this crisscross stitching, or crisscross, I don't know what you call it. And then it has an X in the back. And this is kind of neat how it clips together. I'm sure you could take it apart if you wanted to, but I'm not going to, because I know that I'll have a hard time getting it back together. And this is the back strap, and it's kind of it's probably a 1-inch nice elastic strap. And you can get different sizes. If you needed a larger top than a pant or vice versa, you can easily just request that. You just put your sizes in, and you get to pick sizes for pants, sports bras, or bras, and tops. So it's really cute. And this is, the first one was by the brand Balance Collection. And this one probably is the same. Oh no, this is Marika. See, I don't know how they do that, because it's the same pattern, but I don't know. And these pads in the bra are removable, so that's neat. The little cups are removable. So it's very cute. I like this a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot. And then I even like this white tank top that goes over it. So here is the tank. It has that cute stitching at the front, and then that stitching continues on the back, and then it goes down all the way to the bottom, and then the bottom is kind of, let me see if I can show you. The bottom's kind of like curved, so it's longer in the middle than it is on the sides. Very cute. And this is also by Marika, and everything I'm getting is a size large right now, so this will fit me later. And yeah, I am really pleased with all of their stuff. This is just really cute. I'm loving this. And they've even done something where you can go in and make a choice of your different, like there's 3 different outfits to choose from, and I think that they offer that every month where you can go in and choose which one you want. I haven't really done that. I've really just kind of waited to see what they've sent me. The times that I have looked at the months, the one that they were going to send me would be the one that I would pick anyway. So I don't know, it's kind of an extra step, but I'm sure some people like the customization. I kind of like the surprise. So whatever you prefer, they have an option. So I really like this company. Again, it's Ellie.com if you guys are interested. I hope that you check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.